2023 season is upon us, and there's several things that we can be looking at doing out in our lawn right now. But I can tell you everything that I know, but I don't know what it is that you are needing. I would really appreciate it if I could get people to weigh in on subjects or matters that they would like to learn more about on my channel this season. If you wouldn't mind going down to the comment section down below and let me know what you guys would like to learn more about this season, techniques or things you would like to have access to so that you know how to do it either more efficiently, do it period, or do it even better. I would love to get a flow for your guys' needs versus me just kind of training to what I think that you guys need. Overall, I'm just trying to make a game plan of what I would like to do with my channel this season, just because I'd like to be able to help you guys more efficiently. And let's be honest, I quit making content in late May just because of personal issues that I had going on and didn't have any flow for you guys last year. So I would like to find a flow, find a rhythm, find what you guys know that I'll be putting out for you, and we can start creating it, but not when the weather looks like this. So I've got a little bit of time as it's still snowing here for me. Hopefully we can find the things that are going to work for you in your lawn and the techniques and the products that you are looking for. I'm Jeremy of The Greener Lawn. Make her green. If you're looking for an early season green up on how to make your lawn green, watch this video right here.